village. I just went out to the shops to buy Fidget Cube and this white fidget spinner. This one I've had for a long time. I just took these off and switched it. Pretty cool. And I'm going to show you what they do. So, Amber's watching a film at the moment. I have to place the camera here. So, this one is like a joystick. If you like on controllers of like a PS4, Xbox. That's what you do. You like fiddling with like padlocks. Use these like locks. Like if you like rolling stuff around, use this. It's really nice. Mine can't click.
Is this part of the plan?
Mine can't click, but lots of yours can. You switch. You like playing with light switches. Wait, where is that?
Thank you, Your Highness.
No.
And the bride is moving swiftly back up the
This
aisle
bit fell
and out
out.
the door.
Where is it?
What's the traditional route? Honey, I'll be right back. Change to his diaper. Please, be seated.
Okay.
Now,
So I'm gonna have to unplug my phone. Try to find it.
George,
I'm looking for something.
well, it's definitely not there because that hasn't moved since you've been out.
There.
Oh, dear. Mia. Oh, Grandma, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just need a minute. No. Do this. No. I know.
Vulture.
Listen to me. I made my choice. Duty to my country. It's what I've always done, it seems.
Wow. Guys, this is completely gone.
You're in May? Yeah. Okay, in May.
I want you to make that choice.
Get me some coffee though.
No,
It says gift certificate is going to redeem £45 off.
go back into that church and get
Is this
married,
correct?
or you can walk away.
Okay.
Whatever choice.
Guys? Payment method.
Here's what they are on the box. So it's oh, which one's that? Flip,
Re-entering the church.
spin,
She's walking down the aisle.
click, breathe, roll, and glide. I've lost glide. That's annoying, and I just got this.
£45.
I have to go get it back.
£525 gift card balance. Yes.
Everyone deserves to
Yeah.
Oh, and here are my fidget spinners. This is my new one. I have another.
I know.
What?
Honey?
Mossy's gone on foot. He's got a conduit pipe, green conduit pipe through the hedge in the bottom garden. Take the cable through, the virgin, all the way through that hedge to the house.
Is that a good or a bad?
Right, and my last fidget spinner.
Bad thing, 'cause it's come up on the hedge side, now it's got to cross the path.
Breathe is like
through the wall.
possibly the nicest.
Welcome.
As Billy
So
said,
then we
it
could
is
do that.
Wait,
really
can I turn the
calming.
breeze?
Years ago, I realized the
I've never
only
figured
reason
it
I was getting married was because of a law,
Nice.
and that
So it's the end of the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
To the back gate,
See you guys in the next one.
over
Peace.